Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on a Chevy Traverse. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various extensions, and a specialized spark plug socket. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin, as this prevents potential burns and protects the cylinder head threads. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work on your vehicle. Next, you'll need to gain access to the spark plugs. Start by removing the engine cover, which usually just pulls off. Then, carefully disconnect any intake components that might be obstructing your view or access. Locate the ignition coils, press their release tabs, and disconnect the electrical connectors. After that, unbolt and gently remove each ignition coil from its cylinder. Now it's time to remove the old spark plugs. Use your spark plug socket with an extension to carefully loosen and extract each plug. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of unusual wear, as this can offer clues about your engine's condition. When installing the new plugs, hand thread them first to avoid cross-threading, then torque them to the manufacturer's specifications. Don't forget to apply a small amount of dielectric grease inside the ignition coil boots. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Carefully reinstall the ignition coils, making sure they are properly seated and securely bolted down. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to each ignition coil until you hear a click. Then, reattach any intake components you removed and place the engine cover back on. Reconnect your negative battery terminal, start the engine, and listen for smooth operation to confirm a successful spark plug replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.